Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Hello all, very good morning. So this is Scinthia Clarinda, Assistant Professor from the Department of CSE, and today I'm going to take the topic about business intelligence subject. So what is business intelligence? It is regarding about the business where all the data and informations are collected. Two major things plays a major role here. So in business intelligence, the two things plays the major role. One is the data and another one is the information. So what is the difference between those? What is data? Data is nothing but the raw facts or the statistics. And what is information? Information is a process of converting the raw data into the meaningful context. Okay, so these two plays the major role in business intelligence. So as we all know, there are two types in data. One is unstructured and another one is structured data. What is structured data? Structured data, it is nothing but it is in a particular format which follows a sequence, and it has some meaningful context in it, like we have spreadsheets, words. So these are all comes under the structured data. And what is unstructured data? Unstructured data is nothing but the audio files, video files and the images. These and all comes under the unstructured data. So these are given as the input for the business intelligence and the decision is being taken off. Now let's see what is business intelligence. So as I told you, two things plays a major role: data and information. So business intelligence is nothing but converting the raw data into a meaningful context. So this is what is business intelligence. So without data and information, there is nothing going to be business intelligence. So we are going to see about the business intelligence system. In this system, the data warehouse plays a major role as a server. So as we know, a server contains all the informations and data. Here the data warehouse plays as a server. So in data warehouse, we have lots and lots of data, like we have the different management system data, we have raw data, we have informations. So anything can be retrieved from the data warehouse. So in this, we have two types of processing. One is the online transaction processing and another one is online analytical processing. Okay, so in this process, these two process helps in combining the data and information and gives the output for us. So this is the business intelligence architecture. So in business intelligence architecture, we have the data sources, we have the data warehouses, and we have the BI results. Okay, so in this data source means the input which we are giving. So the operation systems, ERP, SQL and flat files, these and all comes under the data sources. So this and all is being given as the data flow to the data warehouse. So data warehouse nothing but it acts as a server, as I told you. So it stores all the data in it and it delivers the results as a BI form. Okay, BI form is nothing but the OLAP analysis, that is online analytical processing, and data mining, data visualization. It can be in the form of reports, it can be in the form of alerts or dashboards or scorecards. So these, as I told you, from the data sources, the data are being given inside the data warehouse through a process called ETL process. ETL process is nothing but extract, transform and load. So we'll see about extract, transform and load. Extract is nothing but extracting the raw data and it is being transformed to the data warehouse understandable way, and then it is being loaded to the data warehouse. From the data warehouse, the information is being retrieved. So this is the basic architecture of BI. As I told you, data warehouse acts as a main server. We have to know what is there inside the data warehouse. So this diagram represents the data warehouse components. As I told you, the information is passed through the operational systems, and data warehouse contains three major data, that is metadata, summary data and the raw data, in which helps of taking off any data from the data warehouse. So these are all the components architecture of the data warehouse. We saw about business intelligence, data warehouse, all these. And Microsoft, does anybody knows that Microsoft plays a major role in business intelligence? Yes, definitely it plays a major role, because with the help of the tools, that is the tools is nothing but the Microsoft Visual Studio and the interface of Visual Studios. These are all the tools used from Microsoft, and it is being used in the business intelligence for a betterment of the development of the BI. Okay, so this is the architecture of Microsoft where it has been used inside BI. as we all know, Microsoft Office, PowerPoints, we have collaboration, we have Excel, and we also have this SQL servers. Servers are nothing but it can be of reporting service, analysis service, it can be of data quality services. So all these services comes under the SQL server, and together it gives, even the Hadoop big data are also involved in BI, and which helps as Microsoft helps as the tools to for the betterment of the BI systems. And this is the architecture of the Microsoft BI, and here we have data sources and data warehouses and analysis and the reports. So data source is nothing but the inputs through which we are giving, and data source is like it can be in the form of SQL, Excel, text, Oracle, or anything. Okay, and it has been, as I told you, with the help of the technique called ETL, extract, transform, and load. With the help of that, the data are being transformed to the data warehouse, and the data warehouse is being converted into the OLAP cube. OLAP is nothing but the online analytical processing. And then the report in the form of, it can be in the form of dashboards, scorecards. So scorecards is nothing but it helps as a report which helps in knowing the current status of the business. For example, if you are doing a business, we have to know the current status of the business, or how much amount we have spent in that, and what all the customer satisfaction we have satisfied. So these are all the data report comes inside the scorecards. So dashboard, scorecards, these are all plays as a major role in BI system. So Microsoft is definitely playing a major role in BI systems. So that's all about business intelligence. Thank you.